Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1-inch screen from its original LED manufacturer LED strip to our SP series LED kits. So this LED kits come with the one LED strips, SP series, one drivers, one wire adapters. Okay, so it's very easy to install. Before I do that, let's test the screen first, which is I have my tester here. This is the wires for the LED. Right, you can see. Okay, it has a built-in drivers, so we can test how bright is it and see the difference. So basically, this one has a 1024 by 768 resolution. So I had to set it on 1024 on my tester. Okay. You see that? Put it to the white. Alright. Same meter that we used to demonstrate other videos. Alright. 498. 498.4, not bad. 505, 505 nits. 0.1. 516.2, so 506. Let's say 500 nits. That's pretty good actually. You know, it matches its data sheet. Its data sheet say 455, 500. So to upgrade from its original to our SP series is really easy, because this thing comes with the wire adapter, so you just disconnect the existing LED wires, connect to here. Just find a way to mount it. Usually you have double side tip, you can stick to here, wherever you want. So basically, okay, I don't even need to take out this wires. So basically there's a wire here, see that? I mean the screw, this is the LED strips. So first thing, I'm gonna disconnect this one, because we're gonna pull our LED strips. The screw here, just like this. Slide. Unless you want to spend out your time, then you can take the whole thing out and stick to it. But I think this is what I do. You know, time's money. Just stick it in. Okay, you don't need to peel off the double side tip cover either, because it's so light. So then you just like at the tip, it's done. You can connect to either end. Like I said, you know, it has you're using the same wire harness. Let me set this strip aside. So you just push it back. Done. Less than 5 minutes. So we're gonna probably we are going to fire up. Okay. Same old, same old. Let's go to white screen. All right. See how bright is it? Let's see what we got here. $1529, 1,529 nits. 1,491 nits. 1509, 1,509 nits. So I mean, less than 10 minutes you're gonna see the big difference. If your application gotta have a sunlight readable, SP is the way to go. Thank you for watching.